Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll look at how to enter expenses in TallyPrime. There are two ways to enter expenses. I'll discuss both methods in this video. For example, go to vouchers. We'll discuss the first method. The first method is to make a direct payment. For example, we paid for printing and stationery. So let's enter printing and stationery directly here. For example, we paid 1,000 rupees for 2,000 rupees. Okay, I don't have a proper invoice for that. So what will we do? For example, if I paid 1,000 rupees, we'll write 1,000 rupees here and enter the payment directly by cash or bank transfer. We'll hold down Ctrl A and save it. Okay, so this is the direct entry. But most people don't do direct entry. What do? We take bills. Bills are taken in companies. First, we record the bill. Then we pay for it. So if you want to record it now, you'll have to hit the F7 button. You'll open the Jan entry here. After opening it, you'll first record the expense. How do we record this? For example, let's take a bill for 2,000. A 2,000 bill for printing and stationery. So what do? We'll take printing and stationery. We'll enter 2,000 here, and then we'll enter the name here. That means we'll enter the name of the person from whom we received the bill. Okay. For example, we've purchased some printing and stationery from Mr. Arun Yadav, who runs a printing and stationery business. And here, we'll basically enter Mr. Arun Yadav's name. We'll enter it. If you want, you can enter your reference number here. What's the name? What's the date? You can enter everything. Or if you prefer, you can leave it out. No problem, I'm making a payment here. You can also make a payment on account here too. Okay, enter. After entering, press enter and save. We enter the bill details so that when we make a payment, we can keep track of which bills we've paid. Okay? Now, if you want to make a payment here, what do you have to do? Click F5. Now, when we make a payment, you don't have to directly enter printing and stationery because you already recorded the printing and stationery. Okay? Now, you have to make a payment to Mr. Arun Yadav. So, what do? Arun. That means we use printing and stationery services, or basically, he purchased it. So here we'll enter 2,000. Okay? Because if you look here, their balance is also visible. 2,000 is still to be paid. Enter it on your account. Press enter. Then select the bank again. Then select cash. If you're paying in cash, select cash. If you're paying at a bank, select the bank. After entering, you can enter details here. If you're giving a check, or if you're transferring other details online, you can enter those details here. You can also enter them in the narration. There's no problem. Entering here is basically all you need to do. So there are two ways. And that's it. This is how to maintain expenses in TallyPrime for beginners. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.